Tired of brainstorming business names only to find the domain is taken? I know that feeling. You finally land on something perfect. You rush to check the domain, and it's gone. So here's the good news. Use Namecheap's free generator to get available names instantly. No more guessing, no more dead ends. So here's what we're going to do. I'll walk you through accessing the tool, filtering by price and extensions, and even generating logo-ready results. It's simpler than you think. All right, let's start on the Namecheap homepage. This is where everything lives. If you're already logged in, great. If not, no worries. You can still follow along. Just head to namecheap.com. Now, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a section called Marketing Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Namecheap hides a lot of their helpful extras, not just domain registration. Once you're in Marketing Tools, you'll see a few different categories. What we want is Design Tools. Click on that. This is the section that handles everything visual, from logos to business names. All right, so now we're in Design Tools. You should see a list of options. Look for Business Name Generator. Give that a click. This is the first time we're selecting it, just to get into the right area. And then you're going to click on Business Name Generator again. I know it sounds redundant, but the first click takes you to the tool's landing page. The second click actually launches the generator itself, so just click it one more time, and the tool will open up. Now, we're inside the generator. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a box with some default keywords, but here's a really useful feature. See that highlight button? Click on it. This lets you highlight specific words or themes you want the generator to focus on. It's a great way to get more relevant suggestions. Next up, let's talk budget. Click on Price. This is where you can filter results by how much you're willing to spend. Domains can range from a few dollars to hundreds, so setting a price cap here saves you from falling in love with something way out of your range. Now let's pick your domain extension. Click on Extensions. This is where you choose between .com, .net, .io, and so on. In my experience, .com is usually the most trusted, but if that's taken, .co or .io can be just as effective. Select the ones you're interested in. Here's a fun one. Click on Show Results as Logos. This toggles the view, so instead of just a list of names, you see them presented as potential logo designs. It helps you visualize your brand right from the start. I love this feature. All right, you've set your filters. Now click Generate. The tool will do its thing, and it might take a moment to process. Be patient. It's scanning its entire database to find names that match your criteria and are actually available. Once the results pop up, scroll through them. You'll see the name, the available extensions, and the price. When you find one you like, click on it, and then click Checkout. This will take you straight to the purchase process. You can register it right then and there. And that's it. From a frustrating search to a domain in your cart in just a few minutes. Next time you need a name, you know exactly where to go.